this. Get this sucker. I'm gonna get this sucker. I'm gonna get this sucker right here. Check this out. Right about now, you dealing with the lyrical imperial styles, better known as Fat Lip. With my people, the LA Symphony. You know what? I got paid $2,000 to do this verse. First $400, I bought a new pair of shoes I'm wearing right now. Check it out, with the lyrical style. Yo, understand the style that's fat like a cow, wise like a serpent, wide-eyed like an owl. How many MCs must get dissed like this? That is the question, I keep you guessing. I teach a lesson to the ignorant, lyrical illiterate. Idiots, your fools need a good smacking. Your style's like an egg made out of steel, it ain't cracking.
What you know about the Puerto Rican eradicator? Tragic like gladiator for all of you biting alligators. Cali haters, lollygaggers, sluggers, the validators. Tell you it's fresh, but those are your yes men and your salivators. I love singing, pretty good at mudslinging. I love dreaming about keeping you thugs steaming. I bug demons and spirits of rappers with bunk meaning. Cooked from LA Symphony, they call us Young He-Man.
What you say? BMC just cut from another mold.
What you say?
I play the humble, but y'all don't understand.
What you say?
Stay away from stories that's forever told.
What you say, huh? What you say, huh? What you say?
None of us be the battling type.
What you say?
But if we got it, it's for sure we gon' serve.
What you say?
And you know we gotta keep the crowd high.
What you say, huh? What you say, huh? What you
I'm
say?
on some Duran with the reflex. Which MC's next to get checked? You just an insect like my ex-girl's architect. You better come correct. Step before I blast into the upper deck. Take this personal. I purposely mean to disrespect.
Aw, man, come on. Switch it to the break of dawn. Switch it to the Megatron. Extra loud like megaphone. Microphones will make it long while I flip and take a pawn. The burden of the surgeon for your rhyming that is wrong.
Yeah, man, I start rapping then. Fools give me props and say I'm hot like Shadrack and them other two dudes that got locked. Cause I'm extraordinary, fly like the Jordanaire should be. So it shouldn't matter if you be posted on the wall or on the floor by the motion. Throw your hands in the air, wave them like the ocean. Oh, since I ain't got no more time left, I guess I better let you know that my crew is the best.
What
and
you
I'm
say?
BMC just cut from another mold.
What you say?
I play the humble, but y'all don't understand.
What you say?
You stay away from stories that's forever told.
What you say, huh? What you say, huh? What you say?
None of us be the battling type.
What you say?
But if we got it, it's for sure we gon' serve.
What you say?
And you know we gotta keep the crowd high.
What you say, huh? What you say, huh?
Look
What
here,
you say?
my first impulse when I see you is to bleed you. Had a chance to bust, now I conclude you no longer need to. Given the fact your track record sucks. I've had enough money, my lyricals be fly like sky. That's on the word up. Although I don't like writing, I got you biting off the super def DJ/MC. That's me, your Inglewood president. Got you sucker boys knowing I'm sick when coming off the head quicker than Squint edits my lyrics.
Well, they call me Fat Lip, the eligible bachelor. Cause to the ladies, I'm quite an eye catcher. Mike's like a spatula, cause I'm a flow flipper. I attack the track like Jack the Ripper. You just a skipper, I'm the captain of the ship. Cause when this record sells, we gon' fishing for chips. Don't even ask how dope it is. LA Symphony.